Hi everyone, Alex here from 2.0, also known as Second Opinion PH. Today we will be unboxing the newest mid-range smartphone, the Vivo V19 Neo, priced at $17,990. Now we've been so excited to unbox this one because it's claimed to be the best in the V series. Now let's take a closer look at it. We have a black box, or more like navy blue actually. Here we have the phone case, product info, then the ejector pin, and the charger. Here's our phone, but let's put that aside for now. Here's the adapter and earphones. We have this very beautiful Admiral Blue, which is my personal favorite color. It's showing a lighter shade of blue in the middle. I'd prefer it with the case since the glossy finish is a smudge magnet. The phone is also available in crystal white. On the right, you have your power button and volume rocker, while you have your card tray for 2 nano SIM cards and micro SD on the left. On the bottom, you have the headphone jack, microphone, USB-C port, and speaker. It also has a concave bottom, which makes it easier for me to grip, and it also prevents your fingers from completely blocking the speaker. It's loud enough in a medium-sized room without distortion. Up front, we have a 6.44-inch Super AMOLED screen with a full high-definition resolution with a 409 ppi pixel density and a 91.38% screen-to-body ratio. It features great colors and deep blacks. You also have the in-display fingerprint scanner, which is perfectly placed on the screen. It was also very consistent and fast. I didn't have any issues with it, nor with the facial recognition in the dark or even when I have my mask on. It has Corning Gorilla Glass for its screen protection. It runs on Fun Touch OS X that features an interface that caters to the younger generation, which can be easily customized. There are a lot of dynamic effects you can play around with in your settings. You'll also have different modes that can be useful depending on what you need, such as dark mode, which helps save battery, child mode, and driving mode. The V19 Neo is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 AIE with 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage, which is similar to the Vivo V17 Pro launched last October. It also has the Adreno 612 GPU. You may expect a slower response rate playing games at its highest graphics settings, such as the processor-intensive Asphalt 9. This also has an ultra game mode to block messages and alerts to fully concentrate on your game. There were no heating issues too after playing for 3 consecutive hours. I didn't experience any problems multitasking and had a quick and smooth experience launching apps. It has a 4,500 mAh battery, which took us an hour and 40 minutes to fully charge from 0 to 100. It lasted me a total of 50 hours with my daily routine, playing from time to time and using it for socials. On the back, we have the protruding quad-rear camera that houses a 48 megapixel for its main camera, 8 megapixel wide angle, and 2 megapixel for the macro and depth lens. It's actually a bit too bulky that makes it wobble on its back. The photos showed very good quality and contrast with favorable lighting. Trying out the night mode with a wide angle, the photos were just right, not too bright and noisy. The punch-hole 32 megapixel camera has a wider angle and was enough to capture all the details, but it can be a bit too bright. Overall, it's quite similar to the features of the Vivo V17 Pro. It has the same processor and camera resolution. The V19 Neo is priced a bit cheaper, but compared to its competitors, it's priced higher. Although the Super AMOLED screen is definitely flagship phone quality. Well, that's our rundown on the V19 Neo. If you have any questions, leave it on the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews. I'm Alex and I'll see you guys soon.